Welcome to your channel name. Breastfeeding is one of the most rewarding journeys for moms, but it's not without its challenges. From latching difficulties to milk supply concerns, every mom faces unique hurdles. Today, we'll explore some of the most common breastfeeding challenges and share practical solutions to help you overcome them. You're not alone. Together, we can find the answers you need to thrive on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more parenting tips and support. Let's get started. One of the most common struggles for new moms is getting their baby to latch properly. Try different breastfeeding positions like cradle hold, cross cradle, or sideline to find what works best for you and your baby. A lactation consultant can offer personalized guidance to correct latch issues and ensure your baby feeds effectively. Did you have trouble with latching? Share the tips or positions that work for you in the comments to help other moms. Many moms worry about producing enough milk for their baby. Nurse your baby on demand to encourage milk production. Stay hydrated and eat foods known to support lactation, like oats, nuts, and leafy greens. Mimic cluster feeding by pumping in short, frequent intervals to boost supply. What's your favorite lactation boosting snack or tip? Let's share ideas in the comments below. Soreness or pain while breastfeeding can make nursing difficult. Pain is often a sign of a shallow latch. Adjust the latch or try a different position. Lanolin-based or plant-based creams can soothe cracked or sore nipples. If the pain persists, consult a lactation expert to rule out conditions like mastitis or thrush. Moms, how did you manage pain during your breastfeeding journey? Let us know in the comments. Balancing breastfeeding with work, errands, and other responsibilities can feel overwhelming. Create a flexible breastfeeding schedule that aligns with your daily activities. A hands-free pump allows you to multitask while pumping. Don't hesitate to ask your partner, family, or friends for help so you can focus on feeding your baby. What's your best tip for balancing breastfeeding with a busy life? Share your advice in the comments. Breastfeeding can bring up feelings of frustration, guilt, or even isolation, especially when things don't go as planned. Join breastfeeding groups or connect with other moms who can relate to your experiences. Remember, you're doing your best, and your love for your baby matters more than perfection. If you're feeling overwhelmed, seek support from a counselor or a therapist. How do you stay emotionally strong during your breastfeeding journey? Let's create a supportive community in the comments. Breastfeeding challenges are real, but with the right support and solutions, you can navigate them successfully. Remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community of moms here to support you. What's one breastfeeding challenge you overcame, and how did you do it? Share your story in the comments to inspire and empower others. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting tips, advice, and support. Check out my other videos for additional resources to make your motherhood journey a little easier. Thanks for watching, and until next time, trust yourself, stay strong, and know you've got this.